move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Groton local and long-distance movers near me. A move is viewed as long on the off chance that it covers in excess of 50 miles, even inside a similar state. A highway move happens when you move across state lines, while an intrastate move happens when you move inside a similar state. We can move your effects locally, statewide, and past state lines. We have a decent working relationship with the neighborhood and government experts accountable for all moves. We also have protection designs to cover hazard liabilities during and after your things are migrated because we care about our clients and their property. Our movers and drivers are very principled, and your things will be delivered in the same condition as before the migration. You will not need to stress over being cheated because each of our services are sensibly valued. 3 Movers also provides local moving services if you are relocating to a distance less than 50 miles. We are located at the center of Groton CT, and you can access us easily. We also know the minor and major routes in the city and get to you on time. In addition, we have created a pricing system that allows locals to enjoy luxurious moving services without going beyond their budget. Our moving rates are very affordable. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Groton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.